Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create the mirrors I can CapCut PC. So for example, I'm going to select one image, the create. I'm just going to set for the image duration in 1.0 seconds. Just click menu, select settings, and select edit, and set for image duration in 1.0 seconds. Just click set. Right. So I'm just going to copy paste, and for the second clip, you're just going to click on the mirror button to mirror the clip like so, and I'm just going to select the clip and copy paste it. Right, after done, you are just going to click effect and select the camera shake, right? Click nightclub. Yes, just download it. I have to track this for the duration until I finish the video. Right, like so. You can also add the end transition and select the shake. You shake. Alright, apply to all the clip. Here we go. This is the final effect you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was able for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you.